and we have an interview with the owner who's retiring. So we wanted to get here, and I want you to be inspired to draw vintage typewriters because look at the beauty of the letters and the carriage on a modern one. The keys different on a modern one. They're little boxes with dents in the middle versus these gorgeous things. What is this made of? What are these made of?
Typewriter keys. Vinyl with coins around.
These are vinyl?
Yep.
They have vinyl then?
Yep. But a lot of glass top. Not that particular.
Wow. So the person talking to us is Tom, and you've owned it for how many years?
I've owned it for 35 years.
35.
Been here for 45.
Been here 40. And you're closing because?
Yes, everybody's sad, but happy for me, sad for them.
We're happy for you. So is this glass keys?
Yes, these are glass top keys.
Glass top keys. How did
And this is from like the mid 1930s.
1930s?
Yeah.
What's your oldest typewriter here?
Would be from like right now from the 1890s.
Can you show us?
Would be something like.
In the meantime, I'll show this Olivetti. Is that incredible? And Tom said this was repainted. I'm here with Katie Stack, and here two BU students filming this for a course, filming the place.
Early 1890s.
Oh.
So Remington from the early 1890s.
Yes.
And back in the day when you couldn't see.
You couldn't see when
and the keys were coming up underneath and striking.
So the paper is.
That's incredible.
Rolling through here, but
Wow.
it's typing underneath, so you can't see. So you type a few characters, check your spelling.
Yes.
Type a little bit more.
Oh wow.
Lift it up, check your spelling.
And listen to that sound.
Yeah, that's satisfying.
Wow.
Yep.
When did they go to electric?
Electrics.
60s?
No, in the early 1900s they made electric typewriters.
What? But who had electricity
yeah,
then?
I think on 1905 or something they started experimenting with it.
Mm-hmm.
Like IBM's first electric typewriter was mid 30s, but people had been making them for a few years ago.
Wow.
Yep.
Which is your favorite? Don't ask. It's like your children.
I don't have a favorite. I have favorites.
Okay, a few favorites.
A few favorites.
And tell us why. Oh. Yeah.
I like old clunky machines.
That make a good sound.
Yeah, portables, mostly from the 20s.
Mm-hmm.
I do like a couple of big standards. Like.
Is this how this is? Or is it missing a case? How
No,
it was?
no, that's how it is.
See this one?
Wow.
That's how it was, just without a case. Just
Yeah,
it's like the
has
skeleton.
like a wooden cover.
Wow.
That's.
And what are these?
That's
The black.
It's
Is that big light or
yeah,
something?
some kind of plastic. I don't think it's Bakelite, but it's some kind of plastic.
Oh, look at the letters.
Show them the keys we're looking at. Some sort of plastic.
And this is back in the 20s.
Yeah, because the print here too.
And actually, the ball, and all the keys that come up, it was a ball that went and tilted.
Can you imagine?
Cool.
Answer the phone. Look at that creature. Look at these. Look at the shapes. We came here, if you're just joining us, is last time Katie and I we talked about going places or looking for unusual, different kinds of things. My list is see, we're going to like your art more. So we thought we'd come before it closes.
And ribbons, you never know.
Did you say a month or something?
Yeah, end of March.
But unfortunately, we sold all the typewriters already. So we couldn't buy one.
Yeah,
Which is
none of them are
probably good.
available. I don't have one yet though.
Bye-bye now.
There's a whole bunch back there too.
Look at that. So this is old school desk. Have a computer? No.
No computer in there.
He has no computer. I love this man. Look at this desk. We're in a different time
I
zone.
reluctantly have a smartphone.
He is really
Text and pictures and
yes.
not happy about it.
And what about the pictures on the wall?
They're all going away, but like that particular one there is it's a men's club from Harvard University in the 1920s.
Men's
And
club.
every once in a while, I'll take it off the wall and just look at their faces.
Oh.
It's really funny.
And the typewriter in the frame above it, is this a special one?
It's one that I had in my collection, but just sold it.
Well, how do you sold it? Was it hard to part?
No, because you have to go to places. You
Oh.
know, I have to pass stuff.
How many do you still own?
My own collection's like 20 machines.
That's not bad.
Yeah, no, for a typewriter shop.
For a typewriter,
most
no.
guys have hundreds.
Yeah.
I have 20.
Wow.
It's amazing you could part with so many.
Yeah, because I just want to collect what I can use.
You
I
use
don't
them?
want to put them under glass and just let them
Oh, okay. Use them.
Not for me.
Wow.
But that's at home, and I'm going to keep most of them.
The typewriters.
Sometime I'm going to sell some of them.
Okay.
But I'll just reach out to some of my old customers.
Okay.
Because I know a lot of people don't want my stuff.
But those customers will. They appreciate it.
Yeah. Like, way to reward my regular customers.
Yeah. I'd like to get on that list.
Zilla would give it a good home. For sure.
Oh, yeah.
Any of the typewriters.
We have some old ones. So what else can I show? So look at this giant, look at the huge. This is great. Well, thank you so much. This has been wonderful. And I just want to show you, look at the side of the electric typewriters. So let's turn around and go get in here. Right. Hey, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. We're going to go back to the studio, and Katie's. Why did you do that?
I don't know. It's done a few times.
Yeah. But anyway, thanks for joining us. We'll see you
Thanks,
about
everyone.
15
We'll see you
minutes.
soon.